Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, finally I'm back from a small vacation and I'll try to be regular for the next 20 days. As you all know that I'm getting married in the month of June. So before that, I'm extremely busy, but still I'll try my best. Okay. Now let's understand the chart of gold. We have got many levels, so please try to understand the levels. Okay. And if you're busy right now, you can watch the video later as well. So let's get started. The current market price of gold is 1874.75. This is the current market price. The strongest support, yes, the strongest support on the chart of gold is around 1834 to 1835. This is the strongest support on the chart of gold right now, and we have derived this support zone from the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of gold here, and if I draw the Fibonacci retracement here on the weekly chart, I can see that around 1834.35, okay, around this level we have the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, plus we have the 50 moving average. So if we combine both the factors, then we can expect some kind of reversal, some kind of bounce from the 1834, 35, 36 level. Okay, so I think that as of now 1834, 35, this particular support zone is the strongest support zone on the chart of gold. The next important support zone for the chart of gold is on the 4-hour chart. Yes, we are back to the 4-hour chart of gold here, and in the 4-hour chart again, if I take the help of Fibonacci, yes, then we can see that we have Fibonacci 78.6% retracement level around 1842-43 level. Okay, or let's consider 1840 to 1843. This is the next important support zone for the gold chart right now. Why we are considering the 78.6% retracement level? Because if we consider the overall chart of gold here, then you can see that whenever gold has faced selling pressure, yes, listen to me carefully, whenever gold has faced selling pressure, more or less Fibonacci tried to provide the required support to the market. More or less we have seen market respecting the Fibonacci levels. So therefore we can still expect that whenever market will be coming down before the 1834-35 level, we have the strong support of 1840 to 43. So this makes 1840-43 as the next important support zone, because we have seen market respecting the Fibonacci levels. And the third important support on the chart of gold is around 1850 level, because when market was facing severe selling pressure, this was the level from where market tried to bounce. This was the level where we have seen the presence of buyers. So as of now we have got three important support zone on the chart of gold. The first support is 1850 to 51, then we have 1840 to 43, then we have 34 to around 1837. Okay, these are the three important support zone on the chart of gold right now. This is the strongest, yes, this is the strongest support zone because we have derived this from the weekly chart. Okay, as of now these are the reliable support zone on the chart of gold right now. So if market comes down to the level, observe the market. If you see price bouncing from the level, reversing from the level, definitely you can go for a buy position. But just make sure that you are using proper risk management, because after all, no level is permanent in the market and it's our hard-earned money, so it's your responsibility to protect it. So apart from these important support levels, okay, we also have got two additional support zone on the chart of gold, but keep in mind the next two support zone that I'm about to talk are not very strong enough. So you must be very careful and please follow strict risk management. Okay, the first support zone for the chart of gold for day trading purpose, yes, for day traders only, is around 18 sorry 1865 to 1866. Keep in mind, this is for day traders only, and this is not a very strong support. For day trading purpose, if market bounces, yes, if market bounces, if you see price rejection from below, then only you can go for a buy position, and do not expect any trend reversal, because these levels do not have the potential. You must understand that every chart has got some critical levels and some weak levels. These are the weak levels for day traders. You can expect 30 pips, 40 pips, 50 pips, that's it, not more than that. So if market comes down for day trading purpose around 1865-66, we can expect market to bounce. And the second important zone for day trading is not important for day trading. 1862 to 1863. This is the another support zone or trend reversal zone for day trading purpose. We can expect market to bounce or reverse for around 30 to 40 pips, not more than that. Okay, so if you see market bouncing from these levels, then only go for buy. Otherwise, you can avoid also, because if there is a heavy selling in the market, in case of a heavy sell in the market, sudden selling pressure in the market, you won't find market respecting these levels. Okay, so these are the support zone on the chart of gold right now. And if market starts going up from here, okay, so if market starts going up from here, the first resistance or important resistance for us, not this, wait, extremely sorry, yeah, yes, the first important resistance zone for us will be 1900 to 1905. Okay, let's make it a level here or zone here. So this is the first important resistance zone for the market. Try to understand, because see, market is constantly forming lower highs in the market. In simple words, whenever market is trying to go up, market is unable to cross the previous high. Okay, so it clearly shows the rising number of sellers, the increasing number of selling pressure. So in that case, around 1900 1905 level, if market goes up from here, there is a possibility that market will face selling pressure. And if we see shooting star kind of a pattern or any trend reversal pattern, we can definitely take a sell position as well. Keep in mind, confirmation is extremely important before you execute any order. So 1900 level, 1901, 1902, this is a resistance zone in the form of Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, and we can take a sell position as well. This is our first resistance. The second resistance zone on the chart of gold is around 1915 to 1920. Why this level? Wait, let me explain. First of all, we have a horizontal resistance, which we also call it as static resistance in the market. So previously price failed to cross this level, so we have a static resistance. Then we also have the 200 moving average. You can see the red line. Yes, the red, when market is going up, so after a few hours the red line will be around this level only. Okay, so overall there is a high chance that 1915 to 1920 will be the next resistance zone for gold if it crosses 1900 level. So we have got many support zones, but in the form of resistances we have, or I'm just giving you two resistance zones. First of all 1900 level, and the second is 1920 1915 level. Whatever you do, follow proper risk management. Any analysis may fail in the market. My analysis can be wrong also. So please follow proper risk management and protect your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.